Good afternoon, everybody. This is Chase with GreenKey EV Charging Solutions. We are about to install a ChargePoint Home Flex for a resident. And I want to give y'all some footage and just kind of walk you through what we got going on here. So here's the charger we have. I've got some fittings and stuff set out. Need to pull some more stuff out, but they're going to be wanting it mounted on the exterior of the house. The resident usually parks in his driveway. So charger's going to be mounted here. Now with that being said, we've got a panel on the inside right here. Be cutting an access up around this area, probably coming out an EMT conduit 90 around that corner and drop down into a conduit right here to go through the wall, and hardwiring the charger on the outside of the house. So I'm going to set the tripod up and get this time lapse done, and we will get back with you once we got a finished product. Alright guys, I'm going to give you just a little follow-up footage here. So, I've not labeled my breaker yet, but we've added a 60 amp circuit right here. It's going to be providing 48 amps for the charger. There's our access hole. You can see where we came out, 3/4 inch EMT conduit. Came down the wall into an LB and into the back side of the charger. And yeah, that's about all we got going here. So until next time, we will see you guys soon.